Congratulations to everybody that you're coming to school every day. Keep it up, and maybe next month you will be the winner. But today, we are going to honor Andrew because he was the winner of this bicycle. And the most important thing about bike riding is what? What do you need to be safe on a bike? Your helmet. And that helmet has to fit. You're going to try it. So this is Andrew's new helmet. And Mrs. Weaver is going to fit him properly because if the helmet doesn't fit right, it doesn't work. How many of you wear helmets when you ride your bikes and scooters? Okay, I see some hands. Next time we want to see all the hands. So the first thing you have to do is you have to make sure that it fits snugly on your head. Now when he moves his head, the helmet doesn't wobble from side to side. How's it going? That looks pretty good. Next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the straps fit around the ears in a V. That the helmet is only 1 or 2 fingers from your eyebrows. And the last thing is you want to make sure that the strap goes around your chin. It's not loose, but it's also you're able to put a finger or 2 in there. So you can open your mouth with the helmet on. So while Mrs. Weaver adjusts the helmet, we are going to get ready to give Andrew his certificate. And the certificate also says, this is a bike, you are the winner, but you must wear your helmet, and he will sign it as a